Have you ever seen a tiger? Tigers are strong, beautiful, and exciting animals. Today, we are going to learn easy English while exploring some of the most famous tigers in the world. We will learn where they live, what they look like, and some fun facts about them. After each tiger, we will make 2 or 3 easy English sentences together. I want you to listen, speak, and repeat after me. Learning English is easier when we learn with amazing animals. So, get ready to learn, repeat, and have fun. Now, let's begin our tiger adventure. Our first tiger is the Bengal tiger. It is the most famous tiger in the world and one of the largest wild cats on Earth. You can find Bengal tigers in countries like India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan. They live in forests, grasslands, and even the mangrove forests. A Bengal tiger has beautiful orange fur with black stripes and a white belly. Every tiger has its own unique stripe pattern, so no 2 tigers look exactly the same. These tigers are powerful hunters, and they can also swim very well. In fact, many big cats do not like water, but Bengal tigers often enjoy it. Now, we make 3 easy sentences about the Bengal tiger. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The Bengal tiger is a big, wild cat. Repeat with me. The Bengal tiger is a big, wild cat. It lives in forests and grasslands. Repeat with me. It lives in forests and grasslands. The Bengal tiger can swim very well. Repeat with me. The Bengal tiger can swim very well. Easy, right? Great. Now, we move on to our next tiger. Now, let's meet the Siberian tiger. It is the largest tiger in the world. This amazing animal lives in the cold forests of eastern Russia, and a small number can also be found in northern China. The weather there is very cold, so the Siberian tiger has thick fur to keep its body warm. It also has strong legs and large paws that help it walk through snow. Like all tigers, it has black stripes, but its fur is usually lighter than the Bengal tiger's fur. Even though it is very big and powerful, the Siberian tiger moves quietly when it hunts. Now, we make 3 easy sentences about the Siberian tiger. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The Siberian tiger is the largest tiger. Repeat with me. The Siberian tiger is the largest tiger. It lives in cold forests. Repeat with me. It lives in cold forests. The Siberian tiger has thick fur. Repeat with me. The Siberian tiger has thick fur. Easy, right? Great. Now, we move on to our next tiger. Our next tiger is the Malayan tiger. This beautiful tiger lives in the tropical rainforests of Malaysia. It is smaller than the Bengal tiger and the Siberian tiger, but it is very fast and strong. The Malayan tiger has a bright orange coat with dark black stripes that help it hide among trees and tall grass. It is a quiet hunter and usually hunts deer and wild pigs. Sadly, there are not many Malayan tigers left in the wild, so people are working hard to protect them. Now, we make 2 easy sentences about the Malayan tiger. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The Malayan tiger lives in the rainforest. Repeat with me. The Malayan tiger lives in the rainforest. It is small, but it is very strong. Repeat with me. It is small, but it is very strong. Nice job. You are learning new English words and sentences step by step. Let's continue our adventure and meet another amazing tiger. Our next tiger is the Sumatran tiger. It is the smallest tiger in the world, but it is also one of the most beautiful. This tiger lives only on the island of Sumatra in Indonesia. It stays in thick rainforests, where it can hide easily between trees and plants. The Sumatran tiger has dark black stripes that are very close together, and its orange fur is a bit darker compared to other tigers. It is a very quiet and careful hunter, and it mostly hunts deer and wild animals in the forest. Because its home is getting smaller, the Sumatran tiger is now an endangered animal. Now we make 2 easy sentences about the Sumatran tiger. Listen and repeat after me. The Sumatran tiger is the smallest tiger. Repeat with me. The Sumatran tiger is the smallest tiger. It lives in the rainforest of Indonesia. Repeat with me. It lives in the rainforest of Indonesia. Good job. You are learning step by step. Let's continue our journey and meet another amazing tiger. Our fifth tiger is the Indo-Chinese tiger. This tiger lives in the forests of Southeast Asia, especially in countries like Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, and Cambodia. It prefers deep forests and hilly areas where it can stay hidden from humans. The Indo-Chinese tiger is smaller than the Bengal and Siberian tiger, but it is very fast and smart. Its fur color is usually darker orange, and its black stripes are thinner and closer together. It is a silent hunter and mostly hunts deer and wild pigs in the forest. Sadly, this tiger is very rare now because of habitat loss and hunting. Now we make 2 easy sentences about the Indo-Chinese tiger. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The Indo-Chinese tiger lives in Southeast Asia. Repeat with me. The Indo-Chinese tiger lives in Southeast Asia. It is small but very smart. Repeat with me. It is small but very smart. Good job. Let's continue and meet our next tiger in this learning journey. Our 6th tiger is the South China tiger. This tiger is one of the rarest tigers in the world. In fact, many scientists believe it may already be extinct in the wild, which means it is very difficult or almost impossible to see it living freely in nature today. It was once found in the forests and mountains of southern China. The South China tiger is medium-sized compared to other tigers, and it has a strong, athletic body. Its fur is bright orange with narrow black stripes, and it looks very sharp and beautiful. Because of hunting and loss of forest, this tiger disappeared from most of its natural habitat. Today, only a few may exist in captivity or protected programs. Now we make 2 easy sentences about the South China tiger. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The South China tiger is very rare. Repeat with me. The South China tiger is very rare. It may be extinct in the wild. Repeat with me. It may be extinct in the wild. You are doing very well. Let's move forward and meet our final tiger. Our 7th tiger is the Caspian tiger. This tiger is very special because it is now extinct, which means it no longer exists in the wild today. Long ago, the Caspian tiger lived in a large area across Central Asia, including countries like Iran, Turkey, Kazakhstan, and parts of China. It used to live near river forests and reed beds, where it could easily hide and hunt. The Caspian tiger looked similar to the Siberian tiger, but it had a slightly slimmer body and shorter, thicker fur that helped it survive in dry and cold regions. It was a powerful hunter and mainly hunted deer and wild boar. Sadly, because of hunting and loss of habitat, this beautiful tiger disappeared from nature. Now, we make 2 easy sentences about the Caspian tiger. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The Caspian tiger is extinct. Repeat with me. The Caspian tiger is extinct. It lived in Central Asia long ago. Repeat with me. It lived in Central Asia long ago. Even though we cannot see it today, learning about it helps us understand how important it is to protect wild animals. Have you ever seen a tiger in real life? If yes, tell me in the comments which tiger you saw. Was it a Bengal tiger, a Siberian tiger, or another type? I would love to know your experience. Learning English is fun, right? If you enjoyed this lesson and want to see more easy and fun English lessons like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Keep learning with us and improve your English step by step.